Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use private browsing and hide your IP address in Safari on iPad Air 2026. So first, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go over and open up the Safari. Here in the Safari, what we're gonna do is we're gonna click on this button right here. Sorry, not this button right here, but we're gonna go over and let me quickly leave this right here, and we're gonna go to private, and now we are in the private browsing. So in the private browsing, what we need to do next is simply go to settings. Now we want to scroll down here until we go over to Safari, so we need to click on apps and here scroll a bit down until we see Safari. Now here in the Safari, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go over and scroll a bit down until we see the privacy and security. Here we want to select hide IP from trackers, and we want to make sure that it is enabled, because when we set this to off, then trackers will have our IP address. So now it is hidden. And what you guys can also do is go over and go to the Safari. Now here you guys can search for something, and now the trackers just won't have our anything. They won't have our IP or our location. So now, as you guys can see, we are on the HardReset.Info. Let me quickly lower the brightness. We are on the HardReset.Info, and for example, if I open up the Apple site and there are some trackers, then they won't find us because we simply have it disabled, so our IP is hidden from them. So that's how you guys can use the private browsing and hide your IP address. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.